Welcome back, guys. It's Melon, and today we're going to be looking at how to download shaders. So again, I'm going to open up my web browser, and first thing you need to do to download shaders is get Optifine. Now, I'm not sure that all shaders need this, but most of them do, and it also enhances your game, and you can download it separately as well, and it reduces your lag in your game. So if you go in here, the first one, okay, you'll come to this and you click on the downloads page. Now you'll see a lot under Minecraft 1.11. I'm going to click on the first one, and there's one that says download and one that says mirror. Download can bring you to an ad site, but mirror should bring you right to the download. So I'm going to press mirror and download Optifine, and it appeared bottom left. It asks this, but don't worry, it's safe. You're going to press keep, and at any point you can pause the video if you need help. Okay, so I'm going to click on show in folder. It will appear right there. I'm going to copy this and go in my desktop and paste it in there. You don't have to necessarily paste it on your desktop, but I find it easier to do that, so I can go here. Now it should be a jar file, so you open it and it will ask you this, and you will press install, and it will tell you, well, it should tell you that it's successfully installed. And now when you open up your Minecraft, it should have created a new profile, like it did here, and if you press edit profile you can see that it's 1.11. But for you, it might not have done that, and that could be because you have already downloaded an earlier version of the Optifine, and therefore it can't make a new file because it's already there. So if that happens to you, then all you have to do is go on Profile Editor and delete whichever Optifine one you have. Delete profile, and then you'll have to download this again, install, and then it should have created a new profile for you. There we go. And you want to select this one, and that was the first part. The second part, we're going to go back in our web browser and now choose whichever shader pack you want. So if you have a specific one in mind, then you can search that up. Waving plant shaders, I'm just going to choose this. So if you're on this website, Shaders Mods, it has a little leaf as an icon. The download links should be at the bottom when you scroll down. See, it requires Optifine to be installed, so we've already done that. Okay, so here's the download link, Waving Plants v3.5.zip. We're going to press this, and sometimes the downloads happen over MediaFire, and when you press download, it should appear bottom left. So if you press show in folder again, as I've done, you don't have to do this for the Optifine installation, but for this you do. You press copy, and again, like in the texture packs, you go into your application folder, which is %updated%. Go into the first one, .minecraft, and not the others. And there should be a folder called shader packs, and if you go into that, I already have a couple installed, and it's okay if you have more than one. So we're going to paste this in here. So now you can open up your Minecraft and make sure you're on your Optifine profile. So I'm just going into your random world in Minecraft now. I actually didn't build this, if you're wondering why there's so many buildings. This is an adventure map I downloaded, or just a city map. So all I have to do now is go on video settings. The options should be there in shaders, and you'll press the one you want, press done, and it should be installed. Now this shaders one, it didn't come with shadows, it was just described as waving plants. So when you come down here, yep, the plants are waving and it looks pretty cool. Minecraft is lagging a bit now because all these buildings are taking a while to load in. It might ask you to change some settings if you go into the shaders option. All you have to do is change that, and by settings I mean somewhere in here, one of these options they're going to ask you to turn off. At the moment I forgot which one it is because I already have it. inset, but if it asks you, just do that and you should be okay. If you have any questions, because downloading shaders could be quite tricky, then just leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them. So I hope this video helped you guys a little bit on downloading shaders, and yeah, I'll hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.